She's in the washing machine, this is happening, and then there's water coming down on her head.
Her daughter fell into washing machine, and now she is suing the owner for $160,000.
I was folding my clothes, and they were coloring, and all suddenly Gina gets up, and she starts climbing into one of the washing machines. It locked.
Yes, ma'am.
And I tried to pull it, and it locked completely. So I tried to push buttons, and nothing. I started screaming for help, and I thought she was gonna die because I saw the water going over her head, and then it started rocking.
In light of the fact that you are 40% responsible for your daughter's injuries, I hereby award you 60% of what you are seeking, which is $96,000.